Hello, my friend. Today I want to talk about demo account and the importance of demo account. Why should we start with demo account? When you in any broker open an account, you can have both demo account and real account. But what's the reason for starting with demo account? First point, when you learn technical analysis and enter the forex market, you must know the basic point and basic concepts of forex. Without knowing the basic concepts, there is possibility of heavy losses in the real forex account. The second point, by starting with demo account, you can grow your account with reasonable risks by having a long-term plan, and drawdown of account is very low. Never underestimate the importance of risk and drawdown even in demo account. I've designed a long-term demo account program for you who have just entered the forex market. First stage, just have a demo account for 1 month with positive profit. This account should not be called margin. Second stage, keep a demo account positive for 3 months and try to keep drawdown below 30% the amount of money. The amount of money drawdown 30%, and it's very important. Third level, keep a demo account positive for 6 months, provide that the account profit is positive and drawdown should be less than 25%. If you complete these 3 steps in demo account, you can and you are ready to open a real account. I advise you not enter real account without these 3 steps. Depression and damage cause of forex loss is very high. Do not forget that demo accounts are very important before starting forex.